Troops, good afternoon. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merge, Norse liquid seasoning mix. Sa Norse liquid seasoning mix, meron tayong bottle, pack sa original. Diniliver po yan. Nasa 500 ml. Next, meron din tayong Norse liquid seasoning original. Unilever po yan. Available po siya sa 1 liter. You can buy it from any grocery stores, most grocery stores. Yung Norse liquid seasoning. Next, meron din tayong Norse liquid seasoning original. Available po sa sachet. Unilever brand po yan. Sachet. Next, meron din tayong Norse liquid seasoning original. Available for 250 ml. Unilever po yan. Manufactured by Unilever Philippines, 7th floor, Bonifacio. $250 ml. Next, meron din tayong Norse liquid seasoning original din po. Unilever po yan. Neat weight niya po 130 ml. Ito po yung 250 ml liquid seasoning original. Our promise, instantly adds sweet, savory taste. #1 liquid seasoning in the Philippines. Unilever po yan. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge video. Norse liquid seasoning mix review natin. $130 ml, 250 ml. Ang sachet po natin, ito po, available din po siya sa sachet. 1 liter. And 500 ml. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge. Norse liquid seasoning mix. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. At updated ka sa mga video ko, mga Unilever Company merge. Thank you for watching. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you.